1, Session 1. It's Delhi versus Railways, and we are coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Well, the crowd is building in huge numbers. They've come out to support just one man. There are the two teams. Anchit Yadav, Vivek Singh, keep an eye on him. Mohammad Saif, the left-hander. Suraj Ahuja, the skipper, he was there a little while earlier at the toss. And on the other hand, take a look at that at number 4, Virat Kohli, the king. He's back on the park and where he really belongs. That's the first delivery, and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away with a couple of runs. The Railways will really be looking to get a good start. Well, my statsman tells me Kohli's come back into the Kotla on his own turf after 4,469 days.
पर नवदीप सैनी उनके अगर आंकड़ों पे नजर डाले 74 गेम अब तक वो खेल चुके हैं, 203 विकेटें हैं। जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में।
There goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi. And Railways have been pushed back.
जी हाँ, सही जगह पे अगर आप गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो उसके नतीजे भी आपके लिए बिल्कुल सही रहेंगे। अंचित यादव 7 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए और रेलवे 7 पे 1।
New man in Suraj Ahuja.
विवेक सिंह 50 इनिंग, 1637 रन इनके।
Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come.
एक बार फिर से गैप में बॉल को डाला है। बॉल जिस गति से बाउंड्री की तरफ जा रही है, जी लीजिए।
Shot put away. He'll get 4 for that. In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for the Railways goes down. The short delivery working this time for Sandeep Sharma, and Delhi have been vindicated with a decision to field first. He's gone, Suraj Ahuja for 14, Railways 21 for 2.
21 for 2 Railways, and that's exactly what Delhi was hoping to achieve. Pick up early wickets. And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the 3rd wicket gone. And Vivek goes without scoring runs after facing 14 deliveries.
विवेक सिंह बिना खाते खोले लौटेंगे 21 पे 3 रेलवेज।
Upendra Yadav, best of 203. Off the edge, that will run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. Straying onto the pads, nicely put away. Boundary for Upendra Yadav.
What a shot this is, and the man at second slip will be proud of that. The batsman just stands there, admires that shot and says, go fetch that, mate.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक। गैप में बॉल को खेल दीजिए, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर ही दिखेगा।
Stylishly played through the onside. Driven into the gap, and he will find the boundary. Kaif plays this, drives through the offside really well. And has it got the edge? Yes. Nand Kishore says yes. And Grewal as his man. And that's the end of Saif, who's looking good, and he's been dismissed with 24 of 54 deliveries. Bhargav Mehra has walked out to bat. And he cleans him up with the Yorker. Wraps on the pad, and up goes the finger. Superb stuff this from Grewal. Back-to-back wickets for him.
0 पर आउट भार्गव, रेलवेज 66 पर 5।
Karan Sharma walks out to bat. Straying in line and paying the price for it is Navdeep Saini.
Just wait for the umpire's signal. There it is, buys. So the extras go up. Nicely played forward. Positive in intent is Karan Sharma. The umpire does signal and call lunch on the first day of this Group D clash between Delhi and Railways.
जैसे कि हमने देखा कि करण और उपेंद्र इस पार्टनरशिप को आगे लेके चलते हुए 21 रन की पार्टनरशिप होती हुई करण शर्मा, सिद्धांत शर्मा एक सफलता, 6 ओवर अब तक डाल चुके हैं।
Fuller length and driven beautifully by Karan Sharma. He will get a boundary for that effort. Using his feet and tonking the ball way into the stands. That's the first maximum. He is been looking to go after the off spinner and he's done it successfully.
आखिरी गेंद को इस तरीके से समाप्त करते हुए बाउंड्री आती हुई। लीजिए एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई। एक बार फिर से बॉल को गैप में डाला है, बहुत जल्दी पोजीशन में आके बाउंड्री कलेक्ट करते हुए।
Some width was offered and he's used it to good effect as Upendra Yadav, and that boundary also brings up the 50 of Upendra Yadav.
उस चर्चा को जारी रखेंगे, इस शॉट का लुत्फ उठाइए। क्या कमाल की टाइमिंग थी, वो जो गैप ढूंढा है वो भी लाजवाब। रिजल्ट में कोई बदलाव नहीं, आखिरी समय तक गेंद को देखा, गेंद को दिशा दिखाई और बाउंड्री मिलती हुई यहाँ पे।
Comfortable, but will get runs, 4 of them. Oh, now he swings that one, that's gone all the way. That'll be the second 6 of this innings so far, also bringing up the 50 for Karan Sharma. The first time he's gone past 50. Oh, that's again in the air. There is a fielder, he's getting underneath it, and he's gonna take it. What a catch in the end. A great effort this. Will go up to the third umpire. Off you go, says Navdeep Saini. He's got his man, and no better thing than the plan coming off. There were 3 fielders positioned exactly for that, and Karan Sharma, second time unlucky for him. Fine 50, could have made it last longer. Railways 170 for 6 now. Ayan Chowdhury, 26 years of age, right hand bat, he's in the middle, and Glee there. Oh, he's got it well! 2 and 2. It's all happening here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. This is the third time that the 2 wickets have fallen of 2 consecutive deliveries.
पहली गेंद पर चलता किया आयान को। रेलवेज अब 170 पे 7।
Himanshu Sangwan comes out to the middle to face the music. Will get 4. Brilliantly played. That's a shot of a man in form. And he'll get 4 more for that. This has gone fine to the right of fine leg this time. Shot again. Fielder there will prevent any damage. Just the single end of the over. And that's time for tea, says umpire. It's 27 overs in this session, yielding 95 runs for the loss of those 2 wickets, and one of them very important wicket of Karan Sharma.
सैनी को 3 सफलताएं मिल चुकी है और उनकी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि जो सेट बल्लेबाज है उपेंद्र, उनको किसी तरीके से आउट किया जाए, क्योंकि जिस तरीके की फील्ड सजाई है ऐसा लग रहा है एक बार फिर से शॉर्ट गेंदबाजी उसको डालने की लगातार कोशिश रहेगी।
Pulled away, will get a boundary. The real gift this for Upendra, and he accepts it with glee. Just chancing his arms. That's what happens with the tail ender there. Will get runs, perhaps 4. Yes, he'll get a boundary.
Straying way down the leg side was Mathur. He was looking to bowl a quicker delivery. indicating to everybody that he was looking for an armour. And he's always been looking to play big shots. He is looking to get runs quickly here, and he succeeds. He played away on the onside. Has he beaten it? Yeah, he's beaten the fielders. A lot more in control, and that's the result. Beats the fielder. Using his feet, going for a big hit. It's in the air. Fielder's coming underneath it, and is taken. That's the end of a fantastic innings from Upendra Yadav. He'll be disappointed. He's dismissed for 95.
कमाल का बैटिंग उपेंद्र यादव 95 बनाकर पेविलियन लौटना होगा 229 पर 8 रेलवेज.
Left-handed bat is Rahul. Going over the top, but he finds a fielder. Oh no! It's a miss. Does drag the shot, and once again off the hand. It crosses the boundary for a 6.
In the air, there is a fielder there, straight to him. The batsman already making his walk back. Saini, the fielder on that occasion. Nice simple catch for him. Beg your pardon, Yashdul, the fielder.
हिमांशु सांगवान 29 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे 240 पे 9.
Kunal Yadav, 25 years of age. He's out there. Got him! Clean him up. It was just waiting to happen. The third wicket for him signals the end of the Railways innings. 241 all out. So we will see Delhi coming out and batting, which at one stage didn't seem possible. But the batting card of Railways put into bat by Delhi. And they lost Vivek very early in the piece for a duck. And then just those two innings from Upendra Yadav and Karan Sharma taking to them to that respectable score.
सनत सांगवान ये सीज़न इनको काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली हैं. अर्पित राणा काफ़ी युवा खिलाड़ी.
Himanshu Sangwan, who scored those 29 crucial runs. Probably the best day to bat on. Take a look at that. That's clearly evident how good this pitch has become. Surely looks classy, and there it is, the class of a left-hander coming to the fore. Absolute treat for sore eyes.
और ये देखिए, ये गेंद पड़ने के बाद थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला और काफी था एज लेने के लिए. लाजवाब बॉलिंग, अपने जाल में फंसाया.
The youngster gone for 10 of 9, and in the second over, Delhi reduced now to 11 for 1. Yashdul, the new man in, he's 22 years of age.
That's gloriously played into the offside through the gap. Neatly tucked away. He's timed it really well. It'll race away to the boundary. Going for an expansive drive is lucky. That's one which has gone off the inside edge, and he will get a boundary for that. Glorious shot this. Getting onto his toes and punching it off the back foot. Off the edge, it races away to the boundary. Not convincing at all from Yashdul. End of the 10th over, and there'll also be time. And Delhi's day comes.